how rare and truly beautiful it is that we exist.
You do realize how strange you look in this weather, right? You seem a little out of place here.
A little rain never killed anyone. I find your sense of originality quite lacking. Take a break for a while. What is it you're reading anyway? Doesn't seem like a bit of light reading for this time of night.
Nothing. It's just a memory. It's just a book.
Memories, books, they're both fine things. Among the finest in the world. Yet, another fine thing might very well be this. It looks infinitely better on you than it does in my pocket, wouldn't you say?
Why, thank you.
You always used to like lilies, flowers in your hair. You always admired how they completed your face, complemented it, I should say, made you whole. Look, across the way, the street lamp. Don't you admire how the rain catches the light? Glorious. Oh, and look up. Starlight glimmering through the clouds, even above all the cloud cover. It's there for so brief a time, but it's still something to behold, isn't it? Is it the suit?
No, it's nothing.
It's obviously something. Maybe it's not me. Is it who you are? What you've done? Who I am? What I am?
I know who you are. And I know exactly who I am too.
I know who I am. I know who I am.
You're nothing.
I certainly hope it's something. I'll have you know, this get-up took quite a bit of effort.
You're nothing. A hallucination, a daydream, a figment of my imagination. Maybe you're something I want to be there, but even still.
Tell me about you. Who are you?
My childhood wasn't the most ideal. And at the same time, it was. I think it was. My father. He was the most amazing man I've ever known. His two great loves in the world were the written word and philosophy. He told me I could be anything I wanted to be. When I was 13, I decided I wanted to be a writer. But then my father started to change. He never hurt me, but himself? That was another story. I tried to do everything I could to get him to stop. My mother. She never believed in my dreams, mainly because she never believed in her own. Called them impractical. And she denied anything that was going on with my father, which only made the situation worse. After he was gone, my mom threw me to the wolves, in a poetic sense. All I had at the end of the day was a change of clothes, this book. I found $100 in the cover of it, and being on that bus was the first moment I realized what a gray area truly was.
Restless, are we?
It's instinctual.
In this case, it clearly wasn't.
Stop prying.
It's eating you up, isn't it? You're afraid of becoming your mother. Your horrible, terrible, neurotic mother who locked away her hopes and dreams in the suppressing fact of her own insufficiencies against yours. She incarcerated herself, didn't she? She locked away herself and you and your father with you. You and your father, your beloved father, who couldn't bear to see you your hopes and dreams crushed and die. But you aren't her, my dear. This fear you have is irrational.
Just because it's irrational doesn't mean it's not true.
Your father, he wants your writing, your written art form to be seen to all the countries, all the continents, and to be expressed to everyone. You have this talent.
Well, I'm sorry, I ran. I ran, and I don't know how to stop.
Why are you running from your past?
Because I have nothing else to live for.
This light, although mine is not necessarily mine in spirit, I give it to you in remembrance and hope. Think of it from the perspective of your father's, as it is much more effective, a perspective such as his.
I know who you are. I know you're not real. And I know I'm going crazy. So why would this light be any more potent to me if I know it comes from somewhere within me?
That's exactly why I'm giving it to you. You have two very distinct roads, but I can only take you as far as the gate.
If you're a part of me, does that mean you agree with everything I'm saying? Do you understand why I did what I did?
I do, but that doesn't limit my ability to reason.
Will I ever see you again?
Oh, no, I'm not one to make second appearances. But I will leave you with this. The world is like night rain on an empty street. Walk the road or succumb to it.